In this video, I will try to do this task and then let's start. So, the prerequisite is just like we have to install MetaMask and we have to fill some coins with some coins at Sepolia uh, network. So we have Sepolia and test network, and then we have filled falsetted some test coins. So, first we need to install mm, Foundry, but I recommend you to use Visual Studio Code to you can just manage your folder with it. So, this folder is enough for us. So, okay, we can just create it. Right? Okay. I have just selected opening file. You should select opening folder and then we can just hit empty folder and it will be easy to manage, so we can trust it, manage this folder like in this case we can just open terminal like here and open and see what is going on Explorer like this. So it says just the command is for the Linux, but you need to run WSL. We can run it in WSL. So we can just open WSL like this, and then let's try to do it. We need to install it. So Foundry app, run it, and we need to just run this command like this, and we need to run this command like this. We can just close for now. So and then so it says just to create NFT tutorial and then here you should just uh, try to do it, but I think we don't have to create it. So as we have this folder to just like to our project, we use it for our project, so we can simply run like this. So folder name is not so. And install it, and we see that we have installed this kind of folder. Install and open zip in comma like this for install it. Not a git input stopping file system boundary. Git discovered across file system not set. Okay, we can just ask it from chat. Uh, oh, okay. Ah, without loneliness. And past it. Cease to init. Git init. You are the correct answer. It's supposed to be. Ah, maybe it means that you need to go. Yes. Taxi up. Okay. So this will fetch principal constructor poster. When you do this, HardHat will have a look at the import statement and understood you are trying to import a Solidity file that is not one part. So create a Solidity file inside the source folder of the Foundry project like this. And then we can just copy the name. So it will clone it. It will just finish it. We can just create it. New file. Так, NFT soul. And we can copy this one and pass it. So yes, let's try. And for build, let's try to do for build. To tries to command line successfully. So this one is so you should ignore this kind of errors because it's the it depends on the extension. So maybe this extension is not work well. Okay, let's try to just RPCRL. Let's try to go to the quick note, but quick note like in this uh, mm, comments, quick note says just quick note like request the bank card details. So we shouldn't trust systems like this. So I don't trust it. So I will try to just find other cases. For example, in Fora. In Fora, I want to just get started. I have the account. Okay, let me just. Uh, I want to know if this one will just when we register. Maybe Gmail. Так, so Gmail. What that account? Oh, it wants to go like this. I want to just visit the verification. I will fill it down, and then I can just this one info verifies email. I want to re-verify it. Just me. Ah, author, teacher. Oh, DT maybe that's to learn this. Ethereum free. So it's free. Okay, free key, and then you should go here and here endpoint. We need endpoint for the. We don't need this one. We need for the Cipollio. This Ethereum Cipollio. This one will be our URL. So we can just create an file. And file we should create, if I don't mistake, Foundry folder here. Yes, and private key. Так, private key is from the MetaMask. So this one will be RPC URL. It can be any name. Wait, this one is not copied. And this one I can just set here like this. Go here. Details. Show private key. Password. As it's test account, I can just show you, but if you work with real account, you should not show it. and we can save it. So that's, and then let's try. So in this case, you should just be careful with the names. For example, if you just rename this one, then you should just rename here. If you work with other name in this file, then you should just rename here and try to run it. So it needs так, it needs some points for the but I run it. Okay, let's try to get it, but I have just limit. I have just used the limit, so we can just ask it from the ChatGPT so that search for me the set not need any info and which does not need any balance in mainnet or any activity in mainnet. In link I have just used it. Faucet is not team. So let's see it. Okay. So it's provide link of text. Passport score. Gitcoin passport. I have increased it. I have increased it like this. For example, I have increased it. What I want to show you how to increase. You can just connect Google account and connect uh, GitHub. Maybe I have connected Google account, connected LinkedIn, but I don't know if it works. So, so this account, why? Why? Why zero? We should close it is like this. Remember, not mining. Oh, I have started mining. It takes some time. So minimum, but we need so eight 8 point. It takes some time. Maybe it takes some time, so I can pause the video. Okay, we have gained enough Sepolia, so we can just wait for some time and stop mining and claim rewards. Rewards and we should have taken sending and we have some money like this. So then let's try again and we will try. So in this case you can just see what is going on and deploy it on transaction hash. Okay, we have deployed and in Sepolia user scan we can just see our contract. It's Sepolia user scan. So transaction hash deploy it to anything we can just see here like this. It verifies my browser and contract. So this contract was deployed. So we can see this contract. Okay. And we can see the transaction address. So NFT we can see. And we can see transaction address like this. So this one is transaction address. So congratulations, we have just done this one.